What's up, everyone? It's Wayne, Fade to Black, FTB, Faded Forever, and yeah, I'm kind of pumped. I've been showing them videos about the 24-inch Tahoe project and where we got it done. So I'm not going to do all that talky. We're just going to go into it. B-roll, cinematics right now, faded. So we got the wheels in, we got the lift on, the truck is looking sick. I just showed you all the cinematics of it. Once again, 24x14s, 35s, 6-inch lift. It's already been blacked out because I faded it out, I murdered it out a few months ago. Like I said before, I appreciate the opportunity to do any type of modifications to anybody's vehicle. You know what I mean? I feel like being able to do that for you guys is a privilege. You guys let me do it and I greatly appreciate it. I'm excited for this. We've been excited for this project. We got some more things we're gonna do too. We're gonna black out some stuff. So like I said before, just thank you to anyone that subscribed to my channel. Thank you anyone that's ever watched my videos. Please like, share, comment, and I'm gonna keep trying to keep showing you guys any type of dope projects that come through FTV. All right, peace, faded.